Hello friends, welcome to Sumikaya Kalpam. Hope all are well and fit and fine. So this is the third session of children yoga asana practice. Stiram Sukham asanas. Stability maintain is a very important thing while practicing yoga asana. So I hope all the beautiful, all the lovely children already learned how to maintain the stability. So this is the third session of our children yoga asana. So get ready for the practice. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit and enjoy the practice. So it's the third session for our children's yoga course. For today we are going to practice Ardha Matsyendrasana. For that, sit with the legs outstretched in front of the body, bend the left leg and place the left foot flat on the floor on outside of the right knee. Bend the right knee and bring the toes around the left buttock. The outside of the edge of the foot should be in contact with the floor. Plus pass the right arm throughout the space between the chest and the left knee, and place it against the outer side of the left leg. Hold the left foot or ankle with the right hand so that the left knee is close to the right armpit. Sit upright and straight as possible. Slowly twist the left and simultaneously the arms and the trunk and the head to the left. Look at the arms as much as you can. Use the right arm as a lever against the left leg and twist the trunk as far as possible without using the back muscles. Don't stretch your body and back. Bend the left elbow and place around the back of the waist. The back of the left hand should be wrapped around the left side of the waist. This is one round. Likewise, you have to practice another round in other side, and you need to practice this asana each side at least 3 rounds. Do it regularly, practice it regularly and hold the final position for 3 seconds to 5 seconds at least, or you can count your 30 breath. This is a very good asana to stretch your muscles and the back and abdomen, tone up the nerves, spine and make the muscles supple. It also regulates and stretches the adrenal bile and recommended for yogic management for diabetes. Then the next asana is Kandarasana. For that, lie flat on the back, bend the knees, placing the sole of the feet flat on the floor with the heels together touching to the buttock. Then bend the knee, maybe hip width apart, hip little apart. Hold the ankle with the hands. Gently raise the buttock and arch the back and try to raise the chest and navel as high as possible. Hold this position at least for 5 seconds with normal breathe, and while doing this, keep the feet flat on the floor. Before going to the next round, make sure that your breath is normal. Inhale and raise your body. Hold the position for 5 seconds without giving much strain, and practice 3 to 4 rounds. This is very good asana to improve your digestion and also good for respiratory tract. Then the next is Chakrasana. For that, fold your knees and hold the keep the heels near to the buttock. Then place your palms beside the arms, fingers pointing towards. Then gently raise your body and walk near to the feet and stand with your heels, stretching the arms and legs as much as possible. Lift the body and head, and then gently exhale and move down. Hold the final position at least for 5 seconds, and while lifting the heel, be careful. After balancing your body in the final position, you can allow to lift your body with the heel. This is a very good effective asana for all glands and systems, and stretches and relieves of various gynecological disorders. So practice it regularly, at least 2 to 3 rounds. Final positions will be hold for 5 seconds. Then the next is Lolanasana. For that, sit in Padmasana, and I hope all will enjoy this asana, and it is very easy for all children, and I know that they will enjoy. Sit in Padmasana, place the palms on the floor beside the thighs. Breathe deeply and raise the whole body from the floor, balancing only by the help of your arms, and gently swing your body at least for 10 times forward and backward in between the arms. This is very interesting and enjoyable asana. Exhale and lower your body, lower your buttock and legs to the ground. Before going to the next round, make sure that your joints and muscles are relaxed. Again perform Padmasana and go for the next round. Rest for a few seconds, then go for the next round. Repeat this practice for about 5 times, and each time you have to swing your body 10 times forward and backward. This is a very effective asana that will strengthen the arms, wrist and shoulder and abdominal muscles and open up the chest. So do practice it regularly, at least for 5 rounds, and I hope you will enjoy this. I'm too enjoying it. Next is Virasana. This is a very simple asana but very effective, and it will increase your memory, concentration, easy to perform. So get ready for the practice. Sit in Vajrasana. Raise the right knee and place the right foot flat on the floor beside the left knee. Put the right elbow on the right knee. Rest the chin on the palms of the right hand. Close the eyes and relax. Keep the body completely motionless and observe your breath. Spine, head and neck should be in a straight line. Practice it about 5 minutes and enjoy the practice by observing your breath. This is a very good and simple effective asana that will help you and increase your thinking process, become very clear, and your thought should be very precise also. It is useful for those who think too much and who have disturbed mind, uncontrolled thoughts. It is very effective for them to increase their memory and concentration. So this is all about the third session of children's yoga practice. I hope you all like this. Kindly go through my first and second session and combinedly do this third session also. For pranayama, please go through my pranayama video. For children, Brahmari, Ujjayi, Nadi Shodhana, stage 2 and Vastrika is very effective. Along with that, Sitkari also very good pranayama. Kindly go do practice after all these asanas. And those who do not subscribe my channel, subscribe it. Watch my video, write your comments and suggestions, is very valuable for me. Take care, stay safe and keep smiling, stay beautiful.